Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Don't miss out on the opportunity to call this Lakeville gem your home. Featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, with the primary bedroom conveniently located downstairs. This versatile floor plan seamlessly connects the spacious living area, dining space, and kitchen, creating a perfect setting for gatherings. Additional amenities include a detached 2-car garage, a private backyard for outdoor relaxation, and modern appliances such as a washer, dryer, and refrigerator. This peaceful community offers easy access to parks, schools, shopping, and dining. Schedule a showing today and experience the comfort and charm of this exceptional property.